Hey guys, welcome to my channel, the Telangana Girl Hustle Puzzle. Today we are going to explore one of the most amazing places in India, that is Auroville city. This place is located in the state of Tamil Nadu and having some parts of it touch to the Union Territory of Pondicherry in India. We are starting this trip from Hyderabad, and from Hyderabad we will reach to Chennai via flight, and then from Chennai we are taking a road trip to Pondicherry, and in the middle we are taking a route to Auroville. So we have started our road trip from Chennai towards Pondicherry. Auroville is a place that we will get on the route to Pondicherry when we are traveling from Chennai. So this is an amazing road that you have when you are traveling to Auroville. The route is very scenic and you get to see a lot of nice places on the way for stay and for food as well. Auroville means City of Dawn. So this is an experimental township which is located in Tamil Nadu, and that is founded by Mira Alfasa, who is also known as Mother. So in the streets of Pondicherry and across Auroville, you will get to see a lot of this pictures of Mother. There is an option for public transport also, but it has limited time restrictions and it is not usually as available as the personal parkings or the personal trips that we take via our own transport. So the two-wheeler parking here is priced at 50 rupees and the four-wheeler is at 150 rupees. So we got to park our vehicles right at the main entrance to the right side, and then we will have to take a beautiful walk across the greens in the Auroville city. So this is the main entrance. We have parked our four-wheeler and we are taking a walk or tour across the Auroville city here. This is one of the beautiful and amazing places I have seen. It's full of lush greenery and lot of serenity and positive vibes you get across Auroville. This is very well maintained and neatly organized. You get to have drinking water all the places and lot of recreational options as well across the Auroville city. And you have the transport of cycles and bikes also in the Auroville if you are getting to stay there. Auroville has a website. I'll share the link of it in the description box. So you can book your stay in Auroville or the yoga experiences. Everything can be pre-booked in the website in Auroville. So the entire Auroville has a site of approximately 20 square kilometers, which has 10 kilometers north of Pondicherry and 5 kilometers towards the coast, which was picked for the city plan. This is the main entrance. You have a lot of tiny shops which offers drinking water and fruits, etc. But remember, wear comfortable shoes when you're taking a walk in the Auroville city, because that's a lot of spread and you get to walk a lot in here. So we have taken a lot of cute pictures and the entire vibe is very nice around Auroville. There are a lot of foreign tourists as well across Auroville. You get to talk to them, you get to interact with them. They are very friendly people and nice to the hearts. You can stop just like that at anybody in the Auroville, and the empathy and the vibe that you get is so good at Auroville. Across Auroville, there are only few places which are open to visitors without any pre-booking. That is the visitor center, the Matri Mandir, the viewing point, and the inner chamber. Only these are the places which have open access to the visitors just like that. The rest all entrance into the Matri Mandir and the inner chambers, etc. All of these need pre-bookings. Even the stay in Auroville also needs a pre-booking in their website. The Matri Mandir and the visitor center viewing point, all of these are open all the days including Sundays. And for the Matri Mandir viewing point, there is a free pass that is available that you can take at any point from an external vantage point which is available at the visitor center. So in the visitor center, first when you contact, they give you the exact guidance of do's and don'ts of Auroville and what is the best routes to visit all the places that are accessible for the visitors. All of these things would be shared by the staff in the visitor center. The main purpose of Auroville is to realize human unity in diversity. So this Auroville place is recognized as the first and only internationally endorsed ongoing experiment in human unity and transformation of consciousness. All the people in the Auroville are treated equally, and the human here believe in unity in diversity. So any person you pick in the Auroville staff or anybody, they have tons of empathy, and a transformation of consciousness will be ensured to you when you take a walk across the Auroville and you experience the serenity of this place alongside. They have a lot of lush greenery around, and you can experience the positive vibes right from the time you enter the Auroville place. And when you take the walk across and try and visit the places, try to talk to people, there is a lot of positivity that you gain in this place. Other than just this visitors experience that you have, there is a lot more that Auroville has to offer for us. Like Auroville, you can have stay in Auroville pre-booked. This is the site map for visitor center. They have a lot of options to offer, like a lot of workshops, therapies. They have Auroville in-house products that you can purchase. You can volunteer and intern with Auroville as well, and the Matri Mandir. So one of the most famous place in Auroville is the Matri Mandir, which is a place that is dedicated to have your consciousness and the self-empowerment can be done across this. So this is a little museum that we have inside of Auroville. This is easily accessible by the visitors at any point of time. It explains the evolution of Auroville, how it was formed, and what is the actual principle of building the Auroville. There are a lot of guides around which will tell you for free on what is the principles and what is their main motto. This is the Auroville flower. There is a lot of text and history that you can go through across Auroville, placed on the belly boards and these kind of museums, etc. Auroville also has this dedicated visitor center, and they have nice guest service for all the people who visit Auroville here. And there are around 92 guest houses to accommodate all the people who are visiting and trying to stay at Auroville. They have amazing guest house setup, the Auro card, which you can use as a smart way to transact across Auroville for all the financial transparencies. The transport, the safety, the security, everything is well assured in the Auroville. Lot of the places in the Auroville, as I have observed, are majorly run by the help of solar power services here. That is one of the very good Go Green initiative that I have observed within the premises of Auroville here. This is the place where you will have to pick the passes for the Matri Mandir. This is our pass. They'll ask you what are the number of people, and this pass is free. There are cycles here which they provide for rent, just to take the tour around the Auroville place. And there are these tiny transports that they take you to Auroville, like for a tour and to the viewpoint of Matri Mandir. It's if you try and take a walk, it's around 2 kilometers. But if you take this commute of this van or jeep, it's very easy. You will save a lot of time because as you are a day visitor, you got to cover a lot of places here. So it's preferable if you could take this buses wherever possible, and then go for walks at wherever places you got to walk. This is on the way to the viewpoint that we are going. So they drop you at this place, and from here again you will have to take a walk to the Matri Mandir viewpoint. The people who stay in Auroville are also called as Aurovillians. They come from like various countries, and they could participate in a lot of activities here like agriculture, education, art, handicrafts, and renewable energy initiatives like we just talked about. There are a lot of locals also inside Auroville that you could reach for any assistance or help when you are traveling and visiting Auroville. This is the solar plant initiative that I was talking about. This place supplies the entire solar power energy across Auroville spread. This is the viewpoint of the most precious place in Auroville, the Matri Mandir. We had a really good time in Auroville as a day visitor, but next time we would definitely try and plan to stay in Auroville at night and experience a lot of other things that we could not experience in this short trip in Auroville. We stayed for about 4 to 5 hours in Auroville, did a lot of shopping, and experienced the tons of empathy that we could get from the people across Auroville. So I would highly recommend everybody to visit Auroville at least once in your lifetime to get that soul connect and positive vibe and experiences across Auroville. So this is the Auroville products place where you have a lot of candles, apparel, books, scented sticks, etc. So a lot of jewelry options are also there here which you can shop from. This is our overall visit and experience to Auroville. I would highly recommend everybody to take a tour to Auroville once in a lifetime to gain that positivity and soul consciousness across our body and the positive vibe. That is it from my today's video, guys. If you like this video, please do like, comment, share and subscribe to the Telangana Girl Hustle Puzzle.